welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Cheche here once again, and if you're new to my channel, I do Australian bush vlogs, my Australian lifestyle and cooking vlogs. Before we start of our day 2 of our Vlogmas, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So I put it in number 2 here. I have my dog treats here, my day 2. One for you, gentle, and one for little dog, okay. Gentle. Good morning. I'm just walking down for a bit of exercise. I'm walking back home and have some breakfast. I'm just getting this pork mince. Our recipe for today, day 2, is I'm going to cook spring rolls. These are the ingredients. Our main ingredient is the pork mince, carrots, 2 eggs, parsley, cabbage, capsicum, onion, granulated garlic, vegetable stock, extra virgin olive oil, silver swan soy sauce, spring roll wrapper. For now, I'm going to put this in the freezer. First, I will chop the ingredients. And now, every ingredient's ready. It's been chopped and cut. And now, we're all ready to cook our spring roll. First, put some oil in. There you go. While we're waiting for it to get hot, we'll check this egg. Smell it, it's okay. Just put this on. And that's ready. This is really handy, the setup. I have the sink there. I can wash my hands quickly, and I have the stove here. Let's put our ingredients now. I'll turn on the light. I'll be cooking 2 recipes today. Okay, it's ready. So we'll put the onion first. I went to the shop today, but I forgot to buy garlic, so we'll just use this instead. The pork mince. Oh, my dog's barking. Now I'm going to put the garlic. I normally put the pepper, but this time I'm not gonna be doing that because some of my nieces, they can't tolerate the heat, even tiny bit of heat, so no pepper. Now I will add the stock, vegetable stock. Just 1 teaspoon. Now I'm going to put the silver swan soy sauce. I'll just put a tiny bit because that's salty. I don't want it salty. I'll cover the meat 2 minutes and make sure it's thoroughly cooked before I'll add the vegetables. So it's been 2 minutes. That looks ready. Now I can add the vegetables. First, I'm going to add the carrots. Next, I'm going to add the capsicum. Now I will add the cabbage. While waiting, I'm just gonna beat the eggs. I will not cover it anymore, otherwise we won't be able to get rid of the juice. See, it has a juice to it, so make sure we can get rid of the juice. Otherwise, when you wrap it, or when you put in a wrapper, it will become soggy if you have the juice. Now we can add this egg. Isn't that noisy? Okay, get rid of it. Well, I'm trying to... It's already 4:30 in the afternoon, but I have some snack. Okay. I bought this for $1, so it's a banana muffin. Now I'm eating. This is for quick sale. Nice flavor. I've already finished eating my banana muffin and it's really yummy. Now, I'm going to add the last ingredient, the parsley. Ooh, I don't have any more lipstick. That's alright. Normally this is just for garnish, but my coriander died. This will be the replacement. The filling is done. I'm just waiting for it to cool down, then I can wrap it. I better turn on the ceiling fan. I'll get some ingredients downstairs for my next recipe. Now I'm about to wrap my filling for my spring roll. Oh, how will I do this without the noise? I wonder if the guy downstairs, that's his Vlogmas for today, mowing the lawn. Show must go on for me and show must go on for him downstairs. Oh dear, who will win the battle? So since it's for our future guest, I will use my gloves. Now I need some water. Still frozen. I'm just going to put this in the microwave. Let's say 1 minute. What a fun day to my Vlogmas. And finally, I've done it. So I just have to put the spring rolls in this plastic. So 20 each. Finally, it's done. Woohoo! Now it's around 7 o'clock. Now I have to deal with another noise. Before my dog was barking, and now this is that cicada? Yeah, that noise. Ready for the freezer. So all I need are guests to come and eat it. It's easy. Now I'll have dinner. I'm really hungry. I'm gonna eat my tinola and my polenta. And after eating, I have to edit my videos and post it today. While I'm eating, it's shout out time. Shout out time. It's shout out time. I'd like to say shout out to my 2 lovely subscribers who were watching my first Vlogmas. Tawi Official, thank you so much. And Village Secret Jilo, thank you so much for leaving a nice comment. See you on my next video.